Pinching pansies. That's a bud. New bud. Bud. Don't prune. Unfurling bud. That's an unfurling bud. It's a young flower. Happy little flowers. Spent flower ready to snip. That's a hardened off pinched stem, probably from yesterday. Doing this helps your plants stay bushy, and it tricks them into thinking they need to keep on reproducing, which means more flowers. If you don't prune or pinch them, you'll notice that they get long and leggy and stop producing flowers. I do this once a day in the morning and they're happy as can be. And so am I. What better way to spend your morning? Make sure to water every day until it drips from the bottom of the pot, or at minimum every other day. If you catch them drooping, just water them and see how quickly they bounce back. I like to fertilize about once a week with an all-purpose fertilizer. Look at them glow. Such a happy view to wake up to. Hi guys, how you doing?